Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. And today I will be showing you how I recreate little plush cookies for my goodie bags at the tea party. So here we go. Okay, so the very first thing I did was I created 3 different patterns. I want these cookies to either be rectangle, circle, or a heart shape. So I basically just roughed out just 3 shapes that will go on to these separate pieces of felt. Now, I have 4 pieces of tan felt, which will be the color of the cookie. So 5 cookies here and 5 cookies on here to create 10 cookies total. So the first thing I'm going to do is, like I said, I'm going to trace out different shapes onto these, and then I will cut them out. Okay, so once I have all of my little shapes cut out, I'm then going to take my pattern piece and basically cut it to make it smaller, so I will be able to then use it for the icing to go on top of it. So I'm next going to cut out the icing layer. Okay, so I have my cookie cut out and then I have the icing cut out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use fabric paint and a paintbrush, and I'm going to paint on top of it just some of the words that you would see on the cookies in Alice in Wonderland. Okay, so after I have it painted, I'm just going to let that dry and then I'm going to sew everything together. Okay, so I finished sewing on the icing and so far I think it looks really good. So the couple last steps are to sew around the border and then stuff it. So I will be back when I do that. Okay, so I managed to finish it. I sewed around the border and I actually used my scrap felt as stuffing, and I think it looks so cool. It looks like a cute little cookie. I'm very happy with it. So that was pretty much it. That is how I made these cookies. Now, actually, in all honesty, I have about 11 more to do. So I'm gonna finish those, but this is what they will eventually look like, and there will be 2 other shapes as well, a circle and a heart, and I'm super excited for them to finally all be done. So I'm gonna finish those, but that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!